Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make slow motion reels on Instagram. Stick around until the end to learn all the steps and tips to slow down your videos and make your content stand out. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device, and once you are in the app, swipe right to open the camera. Now at the bottom of the screen, click on Reels, which is beside the story option. On the Reels screen, you can select the time duration for your reel, and Instagram allows a maximum of 90 seconds for reels. So choose how long you want your slow motion video to be. And before recording, you will need to adjust the video speed. For this, click on the speed icon, and here you will see options to slow down the video. So you can choose either 0.3x or 0.5x to record in slow motion. These speeds slow the video down for that smooth slow motion effect. And once you have set your preferred speed, hit the record button to start filming. Now you can pitch in or out on the screen to adjust the framing if needed. And when you're satisfied with the recording, press the button again to stop it. Now you can preview your slow motion video by tapping the next button. And if you're happy with it, then you can edit it. You can add text, filters, or music at this stage to enhance your reel. After editing, you can share this reel as your post or story for others to view it. That's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.